Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve 1 by 1 minus 1 by x is equals to 1 plus 1 by 3, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first we can write the left hand side as same, and we can take the LCM here. So it becomes 3 plus 1. So 1 by 1 minus 1 by x is equals to 4 by 3. Now 1 by, if we'll take the LCM x minus 1 is equals to 4 by 3. Now according to the rule 1 by m by n, we can write it as n by m. So here we can write this as x by x minus 1 is equals to 4 by 3. Now if we comparing both sides, so value of x is 4, and when we put the same value of x in denominator also, so 4 minus 1 gives us 3. So the final value of x is 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.